So what's up, y'all? I'm AJ Simmons, founder of the Clean Biz Network, and today I just want to give you an overview of our cleaning business starter kits. All right. Now, what you can see on my screen here, I am on cleanbiznetwork.com's home website. So if you go to cleanbiznetwork.com, you scroll down, and the very first thing you see right here is Cleaning Business Starter Kit. All right. So if you click here to learn more, you will see the options that we have to offer. All right. So let me get my face out the way. Yeah, go over there. All right, so you can see we have a $4.99 option, a $9.99 option, and a $19.99 option. All right. Now, the way this starter kits work, the point of this is basically to help you avoid franchises, because when I was first starting out back in the day, franchises was pretty much the only option that I knew of, right? And so as you start, and franchises are they okay to get started, right? But they got a lot of fees, and quite frankly, there's other ways and better ways, especially now that Clean Biz Network exists, right? So the first option here is our course only option. So you can get this. It is a payment plan available. Actually, there's a payment plan available for all of these now, since we went through Shopify to offer, and Shopify has those available for you. But anyway, the $4.99 option is just the course, okay? So it's going to be online, all right? So self-paced. You're going to learn everything about the business. It has the disinfectant training inside of the course. You're going to get 1 year free trial mobile app called Calculated Clean, which is a $588 value by itself because it costs $49 a month, right? All right. You're also going to get membership to our CBN private Facebook group, all right? When there's a private network, and actually I should say private network because soon Calculated Clean may turn into Clean Biz Network, and depending on when you're watching this video, the Facebook group might be dead and we all might be over here on this app. But for now, they're two separate things, okay? But either way, you're going to get free access to this, all right? You're also going to get discounts on our lead generation service, all right? And so what the lead generation service is, if you don't know, is when we find appointments for you with people who are interested in receiving a quote for cleaning service, all right? And so if they're interested in receiving a quote for cleaning service, we'll schedule an appointment for you to go meet with them, and you go out there and close that deal. We have a service that does that, and you'll get discounts on that service. You also get we'll also show you how to create a modernized website on your own, and that's pretty much it. All right. So you basically get everything that you get with these bigger plans, except for we won't ship the supplies to you, but inside the course we're going to show you where to get supplies from. And then also it won't include the leads, okay? So in this plan, it'll include the leads, all right? So this has everything. You're still getting the Facebook group. You're still getting the Calculated Clean 1 year free to that bidding app right there. And then the course is going to teach them. When I say everything from A to Z, I'm talking about every single thing you could think of, from bookkeeping to website creation to charging your customer to hiring employees to cleaning, how to clean, right? Everything is going to be in that course, all right? And it's all online. Then this right here is basically this, but you just add supplies being shipped to your house, all included, all right? And then this one is the same thing as this, except for you add 10 leads in addition to the equipment and the course and everything that comes with it, all right? We got a long list of testimonials here. If you actually click this button right here, you'll see this is a whole full playlist of non-stop testimonials about how good this product is, okay? So Starter Kit's been around for years now. We've been helping people get started with cleaning companies all over America. So don't take my word for it. Listen to these guys down here, right? Now I'm going to click this one. So if you want to click and get just the course, it'll give you more details there. And as you can see, it has a shop pay option, so you can finance it with 4 interest-free installments. All right, and I won't re-go over everything that's covered in the course, but I got it listed here that gives a better overview. You can see we got all 5-star ratings here. All right, you can read those. If you go to the $9.99 option, this is the one that includes the equipment. And if you scroll down, you can see there's a payment plan for that one as well. If you click here, you can include leads with it, all right? But for now, you just want just supplies, okay? And it's going to tell you everything right here that comes with the course. It's going to come down. It's going to tell you all of the perks you get. And then it's going to tell you and list out all of the different equipment and the supplies that's included with this. And then it says optional add-on to 10 leads, which you saw on the last page was that extra option. How do I get this? Put them out my way. Anyway, you can add this right here and see the price changes from $9.99 to $19.99, right? So this one is $9.99. If you add leads to it, it's $19.99, all right? Where's the pictures? This is pictures of everything that's included with your kit. All right. And that's pretty much it. Again, we got all 5-star reviews on this as well. And I'm talking about pages of reviews. These are like, you see, this is what? This is, they don't have the date here. Okay, oh, here we go. Date right here. Move my face. As you can see, this is March 2022. That's the March 9th. Today's March 11th, okay, that I'm recording this video. So as you can see, these are updated reviews. And then if you go all the way over, you can see even more all the way back to 2020. And then you keep going over. I mean, we got countless and countless and countless amounts of reviews, okay? So as you can see here, that's what we got. I mean, everything you could possibly ask for. And now one thing I want to do, let's try something real quick. I'm going to go to YouTube. I'm using a private browser just so mine can look as much like y'all's as possible. All right, my screen can look like y'all's. All right, so let's go to Cleaning Business Starter Kit. And I'm going to go to my last video that I did on the overview of the starter kit, just so I can answer any questions that you might have. All right, so I'm going to go to the comments and see what are some questions that you possibly might have about our starter kit. So does the cleaning kit include the required cleaner for the SS sinks, toilets, break rooms? Yes, it does. So the cleaner that we include with the starter kit is Simple Green disinfectant. We try to get the disinfectant. Sometimes it is out of stock. It's hard to get, especially ever since COVID came, it's very hard to get it. So every now and then we might just give you an all-purpose cleaner instead of the disinfectant. But either way, it's going to be Simple Green. The reason why I like Simple Green is because number one, it's non-toxic, okay? And you don't want to be breathing in harsh chemicals, or you don't want your workers breathing in harsh chemicals. But I like the disinfectant because even though it's non-toxic, it's still a disinfectant. And it's an all-purpose cleaner. So if you can get the all-purpose and disinfectant in one, that's great. But sometimes you just got to settle for the all-purpose cleaner, all right? But yes, the answer to that question is yes, it will include that. And so being that it does have Simple Green, you can call yourself a green company, okay? Because and eco-friendly, because this is an eco-friendly product, all right? What else we got? Friday says, could I buy? By the way, Friday ended up buying with a shout out to Friday. Could I buy the course first, and then if I enjoy the content later, buy some starter kit minus the cost of the course? You absolutely can. So if you decide to get the course first, and then you want to go back and get the supplies, then you just reach out to me. My email is aj@cleanbiznetwork.com. Just email me, let me know you already got the course, but you want to go back and get the full kit. Then just email me, I'll give you a discount code for that. Do you get forms as well? Yes. And so what we have is digital forms, all right? So remember I told you get 1 year free to Calculated Clean? Calculated Cleans has digital contracts for your customers to sign. So when you sign them to a 1 year agreement, that'll be in there in that template, as well as walkthrough features are in there, inspections are in there, the actual proposal that you present to the customer with your pricing information, all of that is in there. So the answer to that is yes. Yeah, what else we got? Dolores says, I'm interested in your kit. I'm setting up my business. Okay, that's not really. Do you get leads in New York? Oh yeah, absolutely. We get leads anywhere in the United States and in Canada. All right, so the answer, if you're wondering if we can get leads in your area, the answer is yes, as long as you're in the United States or if you're in Canada. Do you have an email? Yep, it's aj@cleanbiznetwork.com. What else? Why aren't you doing your cleaning business anymore? I sold it. So my cleaning company was ran through a franchise, which motivated me to create Clean Biz Network. As you can see, if we go back to that initial sales page here, you see what was the first line. Clean the starter kits. Yes, I'm ready to say no to overpriced franchises. So that's what motivated me to create Clean Biz Network in the first place and provide all these different tools, from bidding calculators to telemarketing services to starter kits and all of these things for you, is because I was a franchise owner and I wasn't getting the full bag. So I said I'm gonna put things and tools in place to allow you to get the whole bag, because I'm not taking a percentage of your profit. I don't own the contracts. You own the contract. These will be your accounts. I provide leads. I do not provide contracts, unless you're local with me. You might can take advantage of our guaranteed accounts program. I'm in Jacksonville, Florida, so if you're interested in that, leave a comment. I can let you know how that could work too. But anyway, I like I answered all the frequently asked questions, or at least the ones that was asked on that last video I made. But if you have any more questions about our cleaning business starter kits, you can leave a comment on the video below, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you for watching my video, and make sure you hit that like button if you liked the video, because I know you did, and also hit subscribe, and right beside that subscribe button is going to be a notification bell. You gotta click that, because guess what? You never know when I'm gonna go live. As a matter of fact, I might go live right now, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss my videos, all right? And if you want to start or grow your business, check out cleanbiznetwork.com, all right? We have cleaning business starter kits. We have a lead generation service to help you grow your cleaning business, all type of stuff. And also, don't forget to download the Calculated Clean mobile app as well, all right? So that's what I got for y'all until you click another video and go watch, man. Watch another video, why not? Binge on it, let's go.